Which DisplayPort cable is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, IVANKY 8K DisplayPort cable. First up is the IVANKY 8K DisplayPort cable 1.4. This one caught my eye because it's super affordable at just $6.21, and it's got some impressive features. If you want a reliable cable for high-resolution gaming, this is worth a serious look. The 32.4 Gbps bandwidth ensures you're not missing any action, allowing for smoother gameplay without motion blur or screen tearing. Plus, it's VESA certified, so you know it's built for performance. The braided design not only adds durability, but also helps reduce signal loss. Honestly, I was surprised by how flexible and lightweight it feels compared to other cables. Here's the thing though, if you're gaming at a desk, this length is usually perfect. Just make sure you measure your space before buying. This is perfect for you if you're a casual gamer looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance. Skip this one if you need a longer cable or have a very specific setup that requires extra length. For the price, you're definitely getting good value here. Now, if the IVANKY's length bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Silkland 80 Gbps DisplayPort cable. Next up is the Silkland 80 Gbps DisplayPort cable. Priced at $20.99, this one is a bit more premium, but it truly packs a punch. If you're serious about gaming, this cable is worth your attention. This cable supports resolutions up to 16K at 60Hz, which is mind-blowing if you're looking for the highest quality visuals for your gaming setup. It's even backward compatible with previous versions, so you won't have to worry about future-proofing your investment. The dynamic HDR ensures you get incredible contrast and detail, especially in dark scenes, which can make all the difference in FPS games. However, some users mention that it can be a bit stiff to handle. Here's the thing though, that stiffness actually contributes to its durability. If you're looking for longevity in a cable, a bit of extra stiffness isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have a high-end gaming setup and want a cable that can keep up with your graphics card's capabilities. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and just need a basic cable. For what it offers, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for high-end setups. Product number 3, Hiwings 80 Gbps DisplayPort cable. Coming in at number 3 is the Hiwings 80 Gbps DisplayPort cable. Priced at $9.34, it's a sweet spot for gamers who want high performance without breaking the bank. If you need a cable that delivers top-notch gaming performance, this one's for you. The robust anti-interference design ensures stable signal transmission, which is crucial when you're in the heat of a game. Plus, it's compatible with all popular graphics cards, so you won't have to worry about whether it will work with your setup. The dynamic HDR support really enhances your gaming experience during darker scenes. Some users reported issues with the connector being too tight. Here's the deal, a tight fit means less chance of it becoming loose during gameplay, which is a good trade-off for many gamers. This is perfect for you if you want reliability in your gaming setup without spending a fortune. Skip this if you prefer a more flexible cable and don't mind sacrificing some durability. Honestly, for the price, the performance is impressive. Now, if you like the price of the Hiwings but want something even more premium, the next one might just be what you're looking for. Product number 4, Capshi 8K DisplayPort cable. Next, we have the Capshi 8K DisplayPort cable. At $7.99, this is another affordable option that doesn't skimp on quality. If you want a reliable cable for serious gaming, this one's worth a look. This cable supports up to 8K at 60Hz and 4K at 144Hz, which means you can experience amazing visual clarity and smooth gameplay. It's also designed with dynamic HDR, which enhances your experience in darker scenes, giving you that tactical edge. Plus, the braided design adds a nice touch of durability. One downside is that some users found the cable to be slightly shorter than expected. Here's the thing, as long as you're aware of the length beforehand, it's not a huge deal, especially for standard desk setups. This is perfect for you if you need a solid cable on a budget that still offers high performance. Skip this if you have a very specific setup that requires extra length. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you want something that supports even higher resolutions, the last product on my list is going to impress you. Product number 5, Silkland 54 Gbps DisplayPort cable. Finally, we have the Silkland 54 Gbps DisplayPort cable. Priced at $8.98, this cable offers great value for those who want high performance at a reasonable price. If you're looking for a reliable cable for next-gen gaming, consider this. The 54 Gbps bandwidth and dynamic HDR mean you'll get vivid colors and smooth motion, especially during fast-action scenes. Plus, it has a no-buckle design that prevents accidental damage, which is a nice touch. Now, some users mentioned it doesn't support 144Hz at 4K, which might be a deal-breaker for some competitive gamers. But here's the thing, if you're more of a casual gamer or just want a solid cable for high-res movies and general use, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality cable at a budget price that can handle future gaming demands. Skip this if you're a hardcore competitive gamer focused on the highest refresh rates. Considering its features, it's definitely worth the price. So to wrap it up, we've covered some solid options for DisplayPort cables. The IVANKY is great for budget-conscious gamers, while the Silkland 80 Gbps offers premium features. The Hiwings balances performance and price perfectly, and the Capshi is reliable for those on a tighter budget. Finally, the Silkland 54 Gbps provides excellent value for high-res gaming. No matter what your needs are, there's a cable here for you. Happy gaming!